Google My Business is the best option for the local businesses to capture more leads and get more customers to their physical store. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Google My Business profile in 2021. I'm going to give you my best tips and strategies which you can use to boost your business local search visibility. Now it's pretty easy to attract customers to your brick and mortar store using Google My Business profile. So I'm Nanda Kishore and welcome to Digital Anki YouTube channel. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and get the latest updates on digital marketing, web design and how-to videos. So if you want to get more visibility in local search, then let's get started with the GMB account setup. So first thing guys, you have to go to google.com/business. If you've already logged in to your Gmail account, then you have to click on Manage Now button here. First, you have to search for your business in the search box provided. If you find, then you can claim your business profile. If not, you have to create a new one. So I'm gonna enter Digital Anki Nanda Kishore. This is just for a tutorial purpose, guys. Now you have to make sure you enter your proper business name and click on Next. You have to choose the proper business category for your GMB profile. If you're not sure of what category to choose for your business, then I would suggest you go to Google search and find how your competitors are doing. It's really important to choose the right category. It helps the search engine find your business when potential customers are searching. You can add more category, but what I would suggest is you go with one primary and couple of secondary category. I'll add that later. Once you are done with the category, then go ahead and click on Next. If you want to add your business location where your potential customers can visit to get the services what you offer, I would suggest you to add your business location even if you don't have a physical office or store, because it helps you to get your business verified. For tutorial, I am gonna choose No and click Next. Next up, where do you actually serve your customers, like the different service areas. So type in all those areas to add it to your list. Now enter your contact number. This will be displayed in your Google My Business profile so that customers can call you. Now put your website URL. Here, don't choose the free website that Google offers. So you probably have one, just enter that. If you don't have, then click this link provided in the description box below to get a domain and hosting. You can use my coupon code to avail best discount if you buy from my link. Now, if you want to get updates and recommendations from Google, I suggest you to choose Yes and click Next. Once you are done with all those details, now click on Finish to manage this listing. You are not done though. There are still a lot more things to do. Here where you are gonna put in your mailing address, even if you don't want to show to people, but Google has to know where it is, because Google will send you a verification code by postcard. You can also choose to verify later, and then attention for whose name the postcard to be sent. You have to mention that. You'll get a screen like this. A postcard is coming your way and that's gonna take up to 12 days to reach you. All right, click on Continue. So based on your primary business category, Google automatically added some relevant services. You can keep them if it is relevant, or else you can uncheck them. Or if your business category is not listed, then you can add a custom service and then click on Save. Next, you got to add your business hours. Select all weekdays except Sunday and Saturday. If it is week off or holiday, you can toggle to keep them off and it's considered to be week off. And click on Save. You can receive messages from customers by turning this messaging on, right? And Next we have business description. Here you can add up to 750 characters long. Make sure you add the best keywords in the best possible way, and most importantly, when you add the location or city, then your listing would probably get an opportunity to rank in the top 3 map box. I'll show you in the search result. For instance, I'm going to type in online marketing agency near me, and this is what I am talking about. So now click on save. Next you are going to ask to add some photos. I'm going to skip that for now. It says your business profile is almost ready. Click on continue, and that will take you to your GMB dashboard. From here, in the left hand side of your dashboard, click on info, and you can see all the details you have provided. You can edit them just by clicking this pencil icon. Now click on the photos, and here you want to make sure you add the logo, cover image and a short video. Now after 9 days, I have received the post verification code to my address. Now we are going to see how we can verify your Google My Business profile with this verification code. Guys, this is the second part I'm making this video after 9 days because I was waiting for the verification code to come, and I thought to combine these 2 parts so that you can understand well. From your Google My Business dashboard, you will see this pending verification. Under that, click on enter verification code, and this window opens. Here you have to enter your 5-digit verification code which was sent to you. So this is my code 14859. Enter this and click verify. As you can see, you are now verified, and this email is authorized to manage this Google My Business account. Click next. If you remember earlier, I have skipped this part. Now again it is asking me to add photos of your business. Just to show you, I am gonna add this one. There we go. Click next. Your business profile is almost ready. Hit continue. Now click on info, and here we'll update whichever details we missed in the first part. Add a short name. I'll choose this suggestion which looks perfect to me. Pro tip, you can change the short name 3 times a year. Click on apply. Now you can share this link with your customers to find your business on Google. Under review, yes, every time you do some edits, it goes for review, and it will reflect on search and map only when it is approved. Add your products, add your services. This I have added when we are setting up this account. Now select the attributes which will be displayed on Google, like health and safety, online appointment and more. Choose whichever is applicable for your business and click apply. We have successfully added all the information. Now let's go home and scroll down. It is showing 65%. Earlier it was showing 80%. So what we'll do is just click on refresh, and as you can see, now it is 80%. Cool. I think there is some sort of glitch in this Google My Business. Despite adding the logo again, it is asking us to add a logo again. So if you guys find out how to fix this, then please let me know in the comment section so that all the viewers can solve this issue. Let's see how it's gonna look on maps. See, this is where your attributes will appear. Let's see how it looks on Google search. Perfect, right? Now you have successfully set up your Google My Business account. It's also very important to do the proper optimization so that you will win the top position over your competitors. So now when potential customers search with keywords, your business shows up first and followed by your competitors. Right? There are a lot of things to achieve that, but one important thing I would like to tell you is reviews. Go here and click on share review form and copy this link and share it with your customers and ask them to give positive and honest reviews. Alright, now click on insights. Here we can see how customers search for your business with the search terms, what action they take, and all that shows here. Click on reviews. Here you can see all the reviews. You can respond to them. Yeah, That's it guys, hope you liked the video. Stay updated for my latest video by subscribing to Digital Anki YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell to all, so that way you'll receive all the new videos updates. Also please follow on my social media channels. I'll provide the links in the description box below. So see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep learning new things. Bye.